Unraveling the panic button, navigating stressful situations in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, panic button. If you've ever found yourself in a high-pressure situation, you might have heard someone say, "Don't hit the panic button yet." But what does that mean? Let's find out together. The phrase, panic button, is an idiomatic expression derived from the literal button that might be pressed in an emergency to summon help. However, when used figuratively, it refers to a state of alarm or a reaction to stress. When someone says, "Don't hit the panic button," they mean, don't panic, or don't react hastily out of stress. The concept of a panic button comes from the alarm systems where a button is pressed in urgent situations. Its use in everyday language is a metaphor for the instinct to react immediately when faced with sudden stress or fear. Let's look at how to use this phrase in conversation. For instance, when the computer crashed, I almost hit the panic button, but then I remembered to back up my files. The project deadline was moved up, and the whole team hit the panic button. It's important not to confuse hitting the panic button with pressing the issue. While the former is about reacting to stress, the latter means to insist on something or to make an issue more urgent. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, panic button. Remember, it's all about keeping calm in the face of stress. We hope this video has helped clarify this expression for you. Keep practicing, and don't hit the panic button when learning English. You're doing great. See you in the next video.